Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. It's September and we got an early harvest moon this year, and as you can see gardening, it's all coming up really fast. And getting some stuff done in the garden. Alright, let's show you.
Okay, all these beautiful tomatoes that have no sun from the squash, of course, on the roof, but they're pushing their way up through, and they've got fruit, but they really need sunlight. So I'm gonna go over here and on the outside, we're gonna harvest some of these beautiful babies up here and over there. And there's one hanging. Look at that, ready to go. And yeah, watch carefully. Yeah, you can see them popping up top, wanting sun. Look at. So we're gonna pull a bunch of these squash off without ruining too much. Well, that one's a little jaded, but you know, hey, we got some ready over there, and let's check it out. Give the tomatoes one last breath of sunshine before, you know, our early fall. And these are pretty much dying off anyways because I got a lot of squash that I'm harvesting today. All right, let's do it. Well, we got some sun over here, over to there, doing pretty good. Now we're gonna work on this side, of course, which is still hell-bent with all this. We'll take a bunch of it down, let these tomatoes, give them another month. Okay, look at that. At least this part of the roof is clean. And then of course I cut down all whatever in front here, leaves and stuff, so these little babies can get some more sunlight in there. And these flowers can grow. And I'm kind of leaving the corner up here for strength and stuff. And then of course we still have sunflowers up there, giant butterflies that they are. Yeah. They still get to stay. And look at those tomatoes jumping up into the sunlight over there. Yeah, look at that baby. Okay, well, you know, we'll see.
Early harvest moon, hot days, cool nights. You know what's going on. Fall. And the Farmer's Almanac says it's going to be a good winter here in the Southwest. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.